Welcome back to Shem's Universe. So today, guys, we're going to talk about chapter 12 of The Magic of Thinking Big, which discusses how to use goals to make you grow. So in regards to people that have goals, they always end up being the people that actually accomplish things in life because they have a roadmap. Without a goal, you really don't have anything. A goal is a dream that's acted upon, as stated in this chapter. Meaning, like, a lot of people have dreams and maybe desires. Desires had a different definition in Think and Grow Rich. Don't mind me contradicting this. But in this book, the goal essence is a matter of if you have a goal, accomplish it. And how do you accomplish goals? By having thoughts and actions conjoined, and in turn that brings forth a different reality. Most people, because they can only see something in their mind, they don't have the bravery or the courage or the self-belief to actually make it a reality, meaning go out there and take it. And we idolize the people that actually do this. We idolize everybody that says, I'm going to do this, and they do it. We idolize the people that can ignore all the haters and the doubters and laugh at them and then keep going forward. And it's the reason we watch movies, biographies, reality show people. It's because there's something in their character that made them successful that we simply do not possess. And a lot of us are going to say that's not true, but the sad reality is that it is. With that fear in your heart, you're never going to get ahead. With that fear in your heart, you're always going to be a loser. The only way to make yourself something different, to transform your very spiritual essence, is to actually make your goal become a part of you. Meaning, make your goal one with you. There's no separation between you and your goal. You lose yourself, your whole identity, and then you become the goal that you set upon. That was the conclusion of the chapter where he discusses using a goal to similarly possess you. If a goal or a vision or a purpose, whatever you want to call it, your desire, your dream, if it can possess you to the point where every single choice, thought, word, and deed that you do each day has to do with that singularity, that goal, then you're going to eventually get it. You're working with inevitability because you're working with the laws of the universe. Schwartz did a very great job in this chapter and explained that whenever you have a goal that you actually take seriously, more often than not, you will accomplish it because you're not going to care about time. You're not going to care about the extent of effort that it may take. All you are going to care about is achieving the result that you set your mind upon. Alright, guys, so I think this chapter was very straightforward in the sense of if you have a goal, use it to help you grow. Have a real goal, don't be fictional, and you will eventually get ahead. A lot sooner rather than later, especially if you know what you're doing in your mind, meaning you have a concrete plan and you are very concrete in your desire. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please just leave it in the comments for me. Aside from that, like, subscribe, follow me. Back tomorrow, guys. Thanks.